Hello, YouTube.
Hey, I'm Solstice234.
Long 1366, as you can see. This is everyday life.
I got a DS for Christmas. She got this laptop, so now we can talk to y'all all the time.
You're gonna get so sick of me.
I already am. Love you.
Do you see how stupid we are?
Did it? All day.
Yeah, this is everyday life. Pow, pow, pow.
Shoot. Let me.
But let me see. Oh, really?
Ooh, I want that. Really? Ah. No, the one above that.
See?
Yep.
You see what pop up? Yeah. Oh, I forgot we're still recording. Oh my god.
That scared the mess out of me. Girl, look at your head, honey. Girl, that's a lot of weed. What the mess? Girl, no. Girl, boo.
I'm trying to move it. You can usually move it. Whatever. I don't even care.
Girl, your hair is shrunk.
Look at my hair.
Girl,
Dang it, where my hair go?
your weed went away. Your weed
Uh,
went
there it is. How come it keep disappearing?
away.
Every time I touch it. There go my weed.
Your weed keeps shrinking.
Bye, YouTube.
You see what I put up with? See that? Peace.
Deuces.